Clayton Bailey here at Green Scene Home Inspections. We're doing an inspection on the house. They have some of the appliances out right now, and we have the dirty M word that's in here. And so we get a lot of questions about this. Inspectors are not licensed in mold. That's the M word. We have to use microbial organic growth or dark foreign substance because that's the only thing we're legally allowed to say. So coming into this house, we have some of that kind of funky substance here on the walls where the range used to be. So, we want to make sure that our water sources are checked. We're going to get out our moisture meter and see where the water's coming in from. There's a lot of funkiness and things that are happening there. And typically before we do mold remediation, there would need to be at least 10 linear feet of mold before something's happened. But there's a bad water source somewhere coming in, getting poor ventilation, and that's what's caused this dark foreign substance. So now you know a little bit about mold. Clayton Bailey, Green Scene Home Inspections, we're out.